Hi Doug, this is the truck that you requested information about, and that looks like a dent. Yeah, I don't know if it looks serious or not, but it is there. Could be fixed, I'm sure. It looks pretty cosmetic, and I'm going to walk around the side of this truck here. It does look pretty good. There's the shot of the inside of the bed. There's the back. I don't see any cause for concern there, except for this front bumper there. A little spot there. Tires look good. Leather looks nice, except a little bit of a discoloration point there, but it doesn't look torn or anything. The other seats look totally brand new. So the roof doesn't look like a work truck. 127, 232 Ks. It is a Hemi, and there's the price right there on that one. So we do have a couple of other ones. This one is 2016. It's got some running boards and pretty heavy duty wheels on it. Extra dark tint and covers for the windows there. Smaller back seat, that's a quad cab, whereas this leather truck here has got a big back seat, crew cab. We also have this Eco Diesel, very nice car, and 2017 model. That one's really nice with a tonneau cover, small back seat though, quad cab. Here's another quad cab, 2014, and here's a real car, 2017 2500 Cummins diesel. And we've got this 2015 Sport. Now this one is probably a really awesome value. And of course this 2016 Sport, very low kilometers. This one is beautiful. Blacked out package, tonneau cover already on it. So we got an awesome selection right now of trucks. And if you want to know more information, let me know. This one's a 2017. Okay, Doug, this is the engine running on this 2016 that does have that little front bumper damage on it. I'm going to zoom right in on that so you can see it. And there was a little speck too on the side. I don't see anything else. The cat skin leather. Yeah, it looks like a little bit of wear in and out. Not really any cuts, but maybe that could be dyed or something like that. Doesn't look like it's something that can't be repaired. Generally, this looks like it's in pretty good shape. If you want to hear the engine running, maybe what I could do is put the microphone that I have here closer. Putting the microphone close to the engine there. Hopefully you can hear that, Doug. And I hope that it helps.